Pasensya na po, naputo lang ating live.
He's sitting on the line.
Bola, po.
He's by Mario.
Oy, bad pass. Out of bounds.
Substitution. Akhirnya, Adrian out. Siaka Boki.
Good. It's a foul.
Foul number 11, substitution. Tolentino, Captain Ovanar. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 26 seconds for the last quarter.
Ito, pati nga ako naka-live. Wala load. Namatay. Wala lang. Hindi. San Juan ano? San Juan City Development. Magka tayo matawa na mamaya.
Last opening is Virginia. One Sports Service.
Wala. Wala. Rebound. Basket. Okay, tayo mo dito sa laban. Team official score 39-44. Babalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. Bad pass. Ayun, okay na. Nakabalik bro. Ay, sige. Uy, natapikan. Jump shot, no good. Post ko na lang po yung mas nauna kanina. Namatay tayo. 2-1. Esteban on the line.
44 seconds.
Gets that 3. Wala. Wala pa. Gets that 3. Bang! Ay na. Umahabol ang Salapan. Uy, last 14 seconds pa tayo. May natitira pa. Ay, wala na foul. Hinihigit na. Wala na foul. Last 11 seconds. Time remaining, last 11.1 seconds. Lamang ng 4 ang San Juan Integrated School on the free throw area. Jersey number 23, Manio. Time remaining, last 11 seconds. Wala pa pala tayong free throw. Natatanggap. Walang pa. Oh, still may pagkakatamba. 4 seconds. 4. Oh, still. Number 21 for 3. Oh! Congratulations and a nice game para sa both team. Nice game para sa Integrated School at nakuha na ng San Juan Integrated School. Our final score 46-42. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Our best player of the game, Manio. $38. Oh. Okay. Okay, congratulations at magbabalik tayo para sa ating third game. Seniors Division naman tayo or Senior High Division. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Dito po tayo sa San Juan Interpublic School Basketball and Volleyball Tournament 2025 para sa makabagong San Juan. Headed by our beloved Mayor Francis Zamora and the City Council. Kasama rin natin si Congresswoman Attorney Belle Zamora and Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Agkawili. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next live. Senior High Division naman tayo. Maraming salamat po.